kiss, pick, fight, give, draw, housefly, dragonfly, cockroach, mosquito, moth, hair dryer, lamp, vacuum cleaner, clock, flashlight, mushroom, sweet pepper, cabbage, bean, nuts, red lips, yellow banana, blue eye, black cat, brown boots. Bravo!